Updating your legal name on Rollbar is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Rollbar account. Access your Rollbar account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you are using the account associated with the name you wish to update. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Find the name change option. In the account settings, look for the section that allows you to edit personal information. This may be labeled as profile, personal information, or something similar. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. In the appropriate field, enter your new legal name as you would like it to appear. Double check for any spelling errors to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new name, look for the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and update your legal name on Rollbar. By following these steps, you can quickly update your legal name on Rollbar. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Rollbar support for assistance.